Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Thereturnable. Today I'm going to show you how to do salad potatoes with crab meat. You can see I already prepare my pepper onion, crab meat, and my red pepper, and the potatoes, and this one is the mayo. And I already boiling my potatoes already, and I'm going to show you how you're going to make your simple and easy potatoes, salad potatoes with crab meat. Okay, you can see I'm putting some butter, and then I'm going to turn on my fire. Okay, I put 1 tablespoon of butter, because remember you're going to add the mayo to it. You don't want to add too much thing. Okay, now you're going to let everything get in hot. Okay, you already see I put 1 tablespoon of butter on the pan, because I'm going to show you how you're going to prepare the crab meat, the pepper onion, and the red pepper. But please don't put too much of the butter. Everything have to be cooked together like a melange. What you need to be cooking on that melange, guys, is the red pepper and the onions. Because if the red pepper and the onion is not cooking the way it's supposed to be cooking, it's not going to be good on your salad. You're going to leave it for a little while, and I will show you how you're going to check your onions and your pepper. This one is your onions. Where? Look at really carefully. You get the spoon, you press it. It's cooked. If you don't like your onion, your pepper to be overcooked, you can take it out. But if you want your vegetable to be really cooked, leave it about for 10 minutes. But if you don't, leave it for 5 minutes. So everything's supposed to be prepared for you. Okay? Okay. My melange already cooked. I'm going to put my melange on a small dish, because I'm going to use that pot to put my potatoes in. By the way, guys, if you want to do some patty, you can make some patty with that. So I will show you how to make patty in another video with crab meat. Okay? Okay, I'm going to add my potatoes. Sorry. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of mayo. Remember, I just want you to know, I have 8 potatoes, 8 big pieces of potatoes, not 6, not 5, not 4. That's why I'm putting 2 tablespoons of mayo in it. But if you want more mayo, go ahead. You can do it. The way I put the 2 teaspoons of mayo, because I'm going to add my melange. My melange already have butter in it. I put 1 teaspoon first and I mix it. Okay? And I'm going to add the rest of the potatoes in. I'm going to add the rest of the potatoes. Bon. Don't put all the potatoes at once, because when you add the mayo, it's not going to be end up mixed well. So you add some of the potatoes first, and then you put butter, and then you put a second spoon of mayo, you mix it. Whoa, one of the potatoes want to go on the floor. Okay, I'm going to add my melange now. I don't put too much at once. But you add everything and I will show you how it look. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and thumb up my video. Okay guys, my next video is going to be how to do patty with crab meat. Okay, thank you, bye bye.